Hello folks. In today's video let's explore the famous Trinity College Dublin. The Trinity College is located in the heart of Dublin city. This is the main entrance building. Just before you enter, you get to view two statues. On the right is the Oliver Goldsmith statue and on to your left is the Edmund Burke statue. The Campanile of Trinity College Dublin is a bell tower and one of its most iconic landmarks. It is located in what is considered the middle of Trinity College. At the central axis of the college's library square, to the north is the Graduates Memorial Building, to the south is the college's old library, east the rubrics, to the west Trinity College's front gate and Regent House. The entire structure stands at 30.5 meters tall and is mainly granite in composition with its carvings being of Portland stone. A college tradition and superstition holds that any student who passes beneath the campanile when the bell tolls will fail their exams, causing some to never pass under it until they finish their time at Trinity College. One of Trinity College's most prominent statues is that of mathematician and theologian George Salmon, who also served as provost of the university. He was a staunch opponent of female students, with the first woman to enroll only doing so immediately after his death. A visit to the Book of Kells, at the Old Library in Trinity College Dublin, is a journey through some of Ireland's most iconic cultural heritage. Housed within the Old Library building, at Dublin City's Trinity College, the Book of Kells is a precious 9th century manuscript, featuring an exquisite combination of ornate Latin text and intricate illuminations. Arnaldo Pomodoro's Sphere Within Sphere sculpture stands outside the Berkeley Library. Sphere Within Sphere is a bronze sculpture by Italian sculptor Arnaldo Pomodoro. The sculpture depicts an enormous metal sphere with a cracked surface, revealing an intricate interior with another cracked sphere inside. The internal layers resemble the gears or cogwheels of a machine that symbolizes the complexity of the world. The fractured cracks symbolize the fragility of our society.